So, good morning everyone. Let's just get straight to the point as I'll have a super chaotic day today. I actually messed up with my studies yesterday and haven't studied much yesterday. The vlog was incomplete. That's what the reason is. So, today I have to put extra efforts and a grind a bit more to cope up with yesterday's loss. So, today I'm supposed to cover the portion which I was supposed to cover yesterday, and today I have to cover the portion of today as well. So I have to put extra efforts. So this vlog will be a straight 10 to 12 hour of study vlog, a productive study vlog where I won't be fapping around. So the time is really less and it's actually time to lock in. So cannot procrastinate anymore. And at this point, let's just actually start studying at first place. But before that, let me just finish up with my morning routine because I cannot sacrifice everything. Like, I need to balance a bit, cannot leave everything. So, here it is. So the very first thing I'll do is revision of share and share capital of company law क्योंकि मैंने कल उसे पूरा पढ़ा था. So I have to study it and revise it once so that I won't be forgetting it easily because I won't be studying it anymore. I'll be done with it क्योंकि time is less. So let's just do the revision first and उसके बाद I'll go ahead with KMP. So 9:13 it is and I'm done with the revision of share and share capital, company law. Now I have to go ahead with KMP. So for KMP I'll watch a lecture of Shubham Shukleja sir. 3 साल पहले अपलोड हुआ था and it is a real good video. Just 1 घंटे का video है and he will wrap up the entire KMP. By the way, how is these plants are looking? Like these are some tiny plants which my mom bought me yesterday. I actually love gardening और पेड़ पौधे मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है. Back in 2021-22 when I actually used to live here for the entire year, ये पूरा grill मनी प्लांट से भरा हुआ होता था. But फिर I left and no one was here to take care of them क्योंकि ये कमरा बंद रहता था. But again, some good plants and it looks good. These are my skating के national medals and plants, a good study table. That's how it looks. So let's just go ahead with KMP. So 11:30 it is, and I'm done with the chapter KMP. KMP पूरा हो चुका है. I just need to revise a bit, and I'll be good to go for exams. So the next chapter is board composition and power of board. ये chapter मुझे scratch से पढ़ना पड़ेगा क्योंकि I haven't studied this chapter yet. Last time when I started preparing for executive group 1, it was just 2 months, so most of the chapter of part B was left uncovered, so I ain't leaving any chapter this time. So मैं board composition and board power करने वाला हूँ. Plus, actually, I won't be able to record this क्योंकि I find it really easy to make notes on iPad. So मैं अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन पे जैसे मैं रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ उस पर मैं यूट्यूब पे लेक्चर देखूंगा एंड अपने पैड पे मैं नोट्स बनाऊंगा. So I won't be able to record the entire session, but yeah, I'll take some short snaps of that so that I can add up to my video. So पहले I'm taking a break. Fair. I'll go with it. Right now I'm damn tired. Like it's afternoon and after study sessions, I'm tired. The bed is actually looking up to me. It's calling me out and I need to grab a coffee. I need to grab a coffee. So it's 7 p.m. now, and by 5 p.m. I was done with board composition and power of board. It wasn't a big chapter to me, but it was a lengthy chapter because I was studying it from scratch, so I wasn't aware about anything about it. So I had to put that extra effort. And मैंने 2 घंटे का एक लेक्चर देखा. एक रिवीजन लेक्चर था एक्चुअली, बट वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड था. बट उस 2 घंटे के लेक्चर को भी देखने में मुझे इट टुक मी अराउंड 4 hours क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पॉज किया एंड आई मेड नोट्स एज वेल. मुझे पास नोट्स भी नहीं थे उसके, हैंड रिटन नोट्स बाय माय ओन. सो आई प्रेफर एक्चुअली मेकिंग माय ओन नोट्स, which is a good to go thing before exam. And now it's 7 p.m. I was really exhausted by 5, so I took a break and went out to play football but failed recording it, so there's no clip about that. Unluckily, I'll post it some other day. So right now it's 7 and I'll just go get a quick meal and उसके बाद I'll go with one more session of study. अभी तक I guess I have studied actually around 7 hours, maybe 7 hour or 8 hour, maybe doing good, but it was too exhausting. I'm telling you, रोज मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा ये. It's 10 p.m. now. It's almost 10 p.m. now and I'm done with the day. I'm literally done with the day. मैंने एक पूरे चैप्टर का रिवीजन किया, entire deep revision, and मैंने 3 नए चैप्टर्स पढ़े. So almost 4 chapters of company law, and now I'm back to the place where I was supposed to be. So I'm done with the day and now I'm signing off. It was a good productive day to me, and while I was calculating, I have studied like 11 hours straight अच्छे से focus के साथ, and the result is in front of you. Let's see what result will be on 25 of August. Whatever I'm doing will be enough to manage to pass or not, I don't know. So it's on that day and it's on what future will decide. So signing off, and yeah, literally work as hard as you can, and do remember, all of us are together in this. Bye.